pretty cool. Hey everybody, it's Monique with Oak Knob Makes, and I am back with you today to go over a haul, a Michael's haul, and I had not really intended to have this haul happen. I happened to be in the town that Michael's is in closest to me, the closest Michael's, doing some volunteer work for our 2020 upcoming elections, and I figured, I'm going to swing into Michael's because there's a couple things that I wanted to get. I am making an Afghan for our living room, and I am making it out of Bernat blanket, and I was missing one skein. I've needed it, and so I just was waiting for there to be a sale, and there was a sale. They were having a sale. So I figured I'll go in and I will get it. I think it was like buy one, get one 50% off. So I figured, well, I'll find something else that I want and we'll get buy one, get one 50% off. That's not quite what happened. So I'm going to show you my haul. Let's start with the yarn because of course I wasn't going in there without getting yarn. The first thing is that vintage, that skein of, and it's the big one, the 10-ounce one, skein of vintage white Bernat blanket. That is actually downstairs. I already put that away. So I don't have that with me to show you, but you guys all know what that looks like. It's Bernat blanket. This is a Karen 1 pound. It is a gray color. We all know Karen 1 pound. I don't know, I guess I'll give you the deets. It's 16 ounces, 812 yards, 4 weight, 5mm crochet hook, 5mm knitting needles. I got also another Karen 1 pound in a light lavender, and I bought these with a specific project in mind. I don't know if any of you have seen the Twisted Kraken hat. That looks like fun to make. So I bought these two yarns with that in mind. I'm pretty sure that this is the right weight because I had seen a video that she was working on, and she said it just had to be the same weight as like a Red Heart Super Saver. And I was pretty sure that that is what this is. So I walked the Red Heart over to this and held it up next to it, and it looked pretty similar to me. So I think we're good. So I have this, and I figured this much covers any amount of yarn that I would need for those tentacles or the suckers. So guys, the Karen latte cakes were calling my name, and they were all on sale. Karen latte cake. Look at that amazing gorgeousness. This one is called Horizon Blue. I had bought one of these earlier this year, and I got it, and all I could think of was it would look beautiful on my girlfriend. She has like the perfect coloring for this. Do people need me to go over the details for this? It calls it a bulky 5. 58% acrylic, 42% nylon, 250 grams, 530 yards per cake. This stuff is so soft. Have you guys... Okay, I gotta take my glasses off so I can like love this. Have you guys felt this stuff? Have you checked it out? It's been a year that I've been doing crochet. I think I started this spring or last winter. But this is the first year that I've seen these or been around them, and they are amazing. So that is Blue Horizon. And then there was this amazing greenish. It is velvet teal. And oh, it's so nice. I'm actually making a hat. I bought 2 of these. I already had a blue one, so I bought another blue so that I would have enough to make whatever it is I wanted to make for my girlfriend. Guys, I couldn't help it. It's so beautiful. This one is elderberry. Oh, Monty Python and the Holy Grail. So soft, guys. So soft. I have 2 of this one too. I went over to the clearance section and there was some yarn in it. There's never yarn in my clearance section ever, and if there is, it's like the ugliest color you can imagine and the scratchiest yarn, so it's never any good. But I went over there and they had Karen cotton cakes were in there. There were 2 of them, and I snatched them up, and normally it was $10, now $3.97. That's a pretty good deal. This is 8.8 ounces. It is 530 yards, 60 cotton, 40 acrylic, medium 4, 5mm crochet hook, 4.5mm needles, medium wash, low dry, no bleach, no iron. What is the color? Oh, it's called hydrangea. And then look at this. Same thing. How cute is that? Look at how pretty those colors are. And the colorway is Sunset Dreams. So that was the yarn I got. While I was there, I did get myself some fuzzy pom-poms. So I didn't have any fuzzy pom-poms and I wanted some. The other thing that I got was stuff to make crochet stitch markers. Knitting stitch markers, progress keepers, whatever you want to call them. I've been having some thinkings and I thought to myself I was going to go over into the bead section and check out and see. And they had a sale too. I got some findings. I have some head pins and some jump rings and lobster clasps and a couple of different finishes. Jump rings again and head pins, and so I have it in bronze and some silver. And then they had some beads. Look at these. Aren't those pretty? Purple's my favorite color, so purple I always am drawn to. So I got a string of those, and look at how gorgeous are these little purple crystally beads. It won't focus. Oh, they're gorgeous. This is also the prices of their beads, you can tell by the color of the tag, and all the red tags were on really great sale. The last two were green tags, all the rest are reds. And it's kind of like a crystally blue. But I thought those were really pretty too. And then there's just you can't see, but that looks like cracked marbles. Like marbles that are shattered from the inside, so it's all rainbowy in there, really pretty. Some small kind of prismate pretty beads. And then they had this, which I thought was sweet. It's all these little danglies, and you can kind of see this one. No, you can't see. You can't see it all. It says dream, and then there's hope, and it just goes along, and there's hope, live, laugh, love, courage, strength. And I thought those would make interesting stitch markers, like a set of stitch markers, inspirational stitch markers. It's where you hope you get to the end of this horrible row and you have the strength to keep going and the courage to try another project. You know, I'm there for people. Same, you know, it's a red ticket tag, and it's just a string of pretty moons. And then how adorable. A glue gun. I mean, come on. Those are adorable. These I actually laughed out loud when I saw. I think they are the sweetest thing. Look at, it's tiny little pom-poms. Look at how small they are. They're so cute. Oh my God. I got two of those, and I get out of here. I mean, get out of here. With the little tiny tassels. How adorable are those? So I got two of those too, and then I can make sets. And then the last thing, this was my favorite. Look at, guys. Can you see? Look at, it's a crochet hook. A tiny little crochet hook. I bought two of those because I'm going to make myself a set. But that was on clearance. Oh, that was the other thing. These were on clearance, as were the crafting one, and all of the other, little tassels and the little yarn pom-poms, those were all on sale. Every single beading thing that I got was on sale. So guys, that is what I got at Michael's on my impromptu and unexpected haul. I was really lucky that it was all on sale, and some of it was even on clearance. So, you know, that's a good day. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me and checking out my stuff. And I hope that maybe some of the things I got gave you some inspiration. Maybe. I don't know. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below if you'd like to chat about the kind of crafts that you like. And also let me know, do you go to the craft store and end up with an unexpected haul when you just really went in for like a ball or two of yarn? I assume that that's not just me. Maybe it is. Let's hope not. That is all I have for you today. I appreciate you taking your time and spending it with me, and I look forward to seeing you here next time. Thanks. Bye.